people, how are you? Make sure you leave down below how your day is going. Welcome back to our channel. So if you've seen our title, I'm so excited. I love getting new subscription boxes. This is a new beauty box. This is called the Chic Beauty Box. This is a bi-monthly subscription that is $34.99. I do have a discount code for you. It is just Ann in all caps. That will save you 10% off your very first subscription. So if you want to see what is inside here, I haven't even opened it up for myself, then just keep on watching. Alrighty, so I just received this today, so I am quite excited. This was gifted to me for an honest review. Oh, and it definitely comes in like a little chic box. I don't know too much about it. I did look it up on their little link that they gave me, and it said $34.99 for... Let me try that again. It says $34.99, and you get between 4 and 5 full-size items. And it's bi-monthly. So I like that there's subscription box that are monthly and bi-monthly, because if you're like me that get like 50 billion subscription boxes, then it's nice to get sometimes bi-monthly. And okay, so this isn't taped up. So again, this is what the box looks like. And it's really, I like it. It's really chic, like the name. So that's what it looks like when you open it up. It does come with a card. And then there we go, right there. It's a little sneak peek. All right, so this tells you what everything is in here. It says the total value is $100 even. And so I like that. I like that it shows you that. All right, so the first thing that I see is from Sephora. What is this? What you be? Okay, so this is a concealer. I've never tried the concealer from the Sephora brand. So this is $14. It says there's 3 shades you could have got. And this was, oh, holy cow, this thing is small. I don't know if I can read you this. Let's see. Sable, I believe that's what it says. So let me open this up. And it is covered in plastic and stuff. So it's sealed up. So let's see. So that's a little dark for my liking. It is really dark for me, but sometimes I can spot conceal, go in a little bit for this if I want a light coverage and just really sheer it out. Let's see. Yeah, because it is extremely dark for me, if you can say. I don't know if I'll be able to use this. But if you guys know my daughter, this will definitely be a great concealer for her. So, all right. One thing, I'm not sure if they have a profile. I'll have to look it up and see if they do have a little profile. Because when you start getting like stuff like this, like foundation, concealer, I mean, it's, you know, you don't want to kind of waste your money on $34 if you can't use the stuff, you know? So, all right. So we have that. The next thing we got is a brush. And I love getting any kind of tools. So this is a Stila eyeshadow brush for $18. Now, oh, this is like rubber. What is this, for glitter or something? It says eyeshadow brush. I've never seen nothing like that. It's like rubber. So maybe you could do a cut crease with this, or like put shimmer on or glitter. I would probably, it says number 37. You know what I would probably use this for, honestly, is if, like my glitter, I would go in with the glitter glue and then go in and press glitter on here and pack it on. That would be perfect for this. I never seen nothing like it. I don't know if I would pay $18 for this little thing, but I'm glad it's in a subscription box. Like, I'm not knocking it because it's in a subscription box. So we have that. The next thing we have is what? What are you? Stay in Line Gel Eyeliner. So I guess that's the brand, Stay in Line. I've never heard of this before. And that's why I like subscription boxes, because you get to try things, brands you never heard of. And this is valued at $6. So this is like a drugstore. I'm trying to see the shade. It says $3.97. Because I don't know if it's black or not. I can't read. Oh, Black Magic. So I'm not going to open this up because I really don't. I have as much as I need. And I do have a 40K giveaway coming up very soon. So I'll probably put this in that giveaway. All right. Moving on. The next thing is from Becca. Okay, all right. This is a Becca Glow Dust Highlighter, and this retails for $42. So this right here pays for the whole box. So let me open this up. Okay. So there we go, and it's definitely full size. And this is in the shade. What shade are you? Champagne Pop. Oh my God, my all-time favorite highlighter from Becca is the powdered one, the pressed powder Champagne Pop. So I've never tried this, the loose powder, and I'm definitely excited to try this. So I cannot wait to swatch this. All right, let me get this little safety seal off, and then I'll be right back. All right, so I couldn't get the safety seal out, so I kind of just like poked holes in here. So let's see if anything will come out. Oh. I've been dropping stuff all day, and then I can make a little swatch. No, nothing. So let me continue trying to get this puppy open. All right, I literally am putting on a sweat. I am having a hard time. I have to wait till my husband comes home to get that off. But I was able to get a little bit. So let's do a little swatch, and hopefully this is enough. Oh, I pray it is. Oh, that's really pretty. Look at that. It looks a little bit too dark for me because it is winter time, but I can go in. When you go in with a brush, a light brush, you know, I can get it to, but that's gorgeous. I really, really like it. I think with pressed powder, the highlighters are more like intense. I can't believe we have a Becca highlighter in here. So I'm definitely excited. And last but not least is from Milani. This is the Most Loved Mattes. Now, I do know, this is an 01. I don't have any of these, and I wanted to try them. I do believe these are discontinued, but as long as it's not old or anything like that, I don't mind. Heck, you know, it's in a subscription box. So I'm definitely excited to try that. This is $20. And this is the All Matte palette. And so there we go. Nice and sleek. Let me see what it looks like. Let me see. Oh, that's so pretty. So it has a nice mirror, and these are the colors. Now, I don't typically go for like an all matte shadow, but I don't mind reaching into, not matte shadow, matte palette, but I really don't mind going into another palette for like a shimmer shade. I really, really don't. So let's try. Ooh, these are nice. These are really, really nice. Okay, so here's just 4 shades. I just want to see what the quality is like. Yes, for Milani, and this is in Milani's drugstore. You know, it's in the drugstores. This one here is a little light. I don't know if you. This is beautiful. I get so excited when it comes to makeup. So I'm really impressed with this so far for being my first box. So let's recap again what we get in here. We get this Milani matte eyeshadow. We get this eyeliner. We have this weird like eyeshadow brush. I don't think it's an eyeshadow brush. Like I said, I use it for something else, but I'm excited to have this in here to see if it works. I'm really excited for this. We have a concealer. Like I said, it's a little too dark for me. It's in the shade Sable. So hopefully they go by profile. They have a profile to fill out. I don't know because this was sent to me, but I can give this to my daughter, so it'll work for her. Maybe I can even try use it as foundation. I don't know. But the star of the show is this highlighter right here. It's just gorgeous. These two alone, I mean, this is definitely, you get your money's worth. These two alone, I would have been satisfied with just getting these two for $34. So I really, really like it. Let me know what you guys think about this box. Do you think it's too expensive? Do you like the fact that it's a bi-monthly subscription? Is this something that you would get? Let me know. Like I said, I do have that discount code JUSTANN in all caps. I'll leave everything down in the description, and you can save 10% off. So what's that? $3.40. You know, to check it out and see if you like it. And that's everything, guys. I love you guys so, so, so much. I really appreciate all of you guys who clicks on my videos, interacts with me. It really helps me out, and I truly appreciate it, guys. Don't forget to rate this video. So either give me a thumbs up if you like it, give me a thumbs down if you don't. Make sure that you subscribe and turn that post notification bell on. I don't know what this clapping is. And turn that post notification bell on so you can be notified for all of my future videos and when my 40K giveaway comes, because trust me, you don't want to miss that. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.